Maddie, if she says no, you gotta get off. And this is how bedtime takes an hour. Come on back, guys. There. Tell Maddie to come back.
Maddie, come back! Maddie! I'm coming back. Just a car came. Mom.
I don't know, babe. I think he went to sleep. Can you say goodnight, Sarah?
I want to see it.
Well, say goodnight. Say goodnight.
I want to see my picture. I want to see my picture.